Assalamualaikum, how are you? Today we will learn about imperative sentences. A sentence that to give a command, to give a demand, to give an instructions, to give an advice. Imperative words: hold, draw, fold, tidy, sort, wash, order, brush, play, put, go, chop, measure, cut, bake, slice, add, peel, pour, mix, slice, spread, place. These are imperative words, verbs. The imperative is formed with the verb without a subject. Open the door, pay attention. The negative imperative is formed with do not, don't, and the verb. Don't touch that. Don't play with your brother. Goodbye.